Welcome to the Atlas of Arts channel, and this is my first video. Today I will show you how easy it is to draw a flower. At the beginning I will show the while drawing on the graphic tablet. After the explanation I will repeat all process on a normal paper. So let's start. First, I draw a circle. This is the edge of the flower. Inside the first circle, it is a small second circle. This is the center of the flower. And there are 8 petals what go to the center of the flower. Look at the example. I will show you a shape of the petals. It looks like a rectangle, but smaller on the top and larger on the bottom. And there are some triangles at the end. I try to repeat this shape. This is smaller and become bigger. And some triangles at the end. 1, 2, and 3. I try to show it all for you. And now try to show it on this flower. With blue line I make it more understandable. And with yellow I concentrate for natural shape. So first I show with blue line where it will be my next petals, and with yellow I concentrate for the details. With yellow color I show more details and make a shape more carefully. Central part looks like a small stars. You can draw stars or only some corners. And there are little sticks coming out of the stars. It's how you can show a central part of flower. This is all technical part what I want to show. And now I'm ready to move on the normal paper. I have a pencil, eraser, set of watercolors, plastic palette, and synthetic brush. I start my drawing with a pencil. Like I showed it before, I start with a circle. If it's difficult for you to draw a circle, for example, you can use something with similar shape. For example, a cup or something looks like a circle. I show a middle, and in the middle I draw a small circle. It is center of the flower. There are 8 petals inside. Also, one time I show the shape of petal. It's the same what I show you before. Just remind. And to make it much more easy, I start to draw them symmetrically. One and another. One and another on another side. Now I concentrate on a shape. Near center it is a small part and then becomes larger, and at the end 3 triangles. And now repeat all these movements for all of the next petals. I make my movie a little bit faster in speed in this part, but you can see that each petal I draw similar way. First, I make it not carefully, just to know where it is, and after I remove the excess and to work with shape much more with attention. Now I start with center of the flower. There is some stars. I remove not necessary pencil and start to put the stars in the center of the flower. Now I make my flower more beautiful, put more carefully details, try to change lines what I don't like for the more strict, and change everything what I don't like for the more strict angles to make my flower much more beautiful with lines. And now I'm ready for color. You can take any red color as you want, doesn't matter. Only one thing, you need to put a lot of water inside, because it should be a lot of color, because I use it for all flower, and every petal should be similar color. That's why at the beginning it's very necessary to use a lot of color, to prepare a lot of color. I put color from the edge to the middle. Repeat the same in every petal. I try not to bring the color to the middle of the flower. The movements are light, and at the end I pull the brush off of the paper. More color on the edge, less color in the middle on the petal. With similar movements, I put color to the whole flower. Try to be careful and not go out of the lines what I drew before with pencil. Next, I take the same red color like in the beginning. Only I use not so much water. It should be less water in a brush. In the second layer, I add red color to the ends of the petals with the tip of the brush. Movements very light. I repeat the same movements like I use at the beginning, only it is less water inside my brush. And I put second layer of red color to the whole flower. I wash the brush and take yellow color. Now I put color to the middle of the flower. I colored all center of the flower with yellow, and then I take sienna color and put this between the stars. After this, I should waiting for the paper become dry. After paper dry, I take dark brown and trace around of the stars. At the shadow, I use blue color and add to the blue color a lot of water to make it more lighter. Not necessary wetness, water or blue color I remove with napkin. And now it's time to put some details and contrasts. For this, I'm mixing purple and red and add it in some parts of petal. Not to add a lot and not to try to make all lines with this color. Put it randomly, only a little in some parts, in some corners of petal. It's this dark contrast make flower more interesting for person who look at this picture. It's always a question where you should stop, where it is too much details or it's not enough and you want to add some details here and here and here, but after some practice you understand, and after sometimes you know that it's much more better to put less details that make it too much. The base of this flower can be used for any another flower. You can change a shape of the petals, their number, or change the color. It can be different variation from your fantasy. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope my video was useful for you, and I wish you success in your drawing.